No key, no problem. Have you ever gotten to your storage unit to realize you forgot or lost your keys? How about when you get home and can't remember if you locked your storage unit? No-Key's Smart Entry System is a safe, secure, and easy way to access your belongings. The No-Key Smart Entry System is an app-based system that allows you to access our gate, building, and your unit right from your smartphone. When you rent a unit with us, you will receive an automated text message to download the Storage Smart Entry app and log in. From there, follow the prompts to set up your account. Please note, you will need Wi-Fi or cellular signal to authenticate upon opening the app. After that, you only need Bluetooth enabled. Using location while the app is being used is a safety feature built into the app to make sure that you are at the facility before the app allows your unit to be opened. Make sure you have the location and Bluetooth enabled while using the app. The unit has 3 different modes. The red light means your unit is locked. The green light means your unit is unlocked. And if there is no light, it means the lock is sleeping to save on battery usage. Tap the LED light on the smart lock to wake it up. When you open the Storage Smart Entry app on your phone, the unit icon on the app will highlight. Tap the highlighted icon to open the gate or door. The only people who have access to your unit are the ones you share your unit number and digital access code with. To share your digital access code, click on the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of your Storage Smart Entry app and select Share Unit. You can also revoke access if needed. No-Key is equipped with a Find My Unit feature, beneficial to those visiting the facility for the first time. Using your Storage Smart Entry app, select Find My Unit, and your No-Key latch will flash and play a beeping tone as you navigate through the facility to help you locate your unit. No smartphone, no problem. Our tenants can buy a Bluetooth key fob for $25. It's a keychain programmed to get you into our gates, doors, and your unit. For more information, visit bluebirdstorage.com.